One of our most successful training programs is the Manufacturing Basic Skills class. And that was the brainchild from partnering with local employers.
The program is vitally important. Employees are better prepared on day one. It gives them a great foundation to understand what a manufacturing environment is like.
One of the things that stuck out to me that I thought was very important was etiquette, how to conduct yourself, attitude.
The training program gives them a significant amount of experience in OSHA safety training, math and measurement, Lean, Six Sigma, quality principles that are going to make them successful from day one.
In Washington County, we want the employer to have one focus, and that is to be successful. It is our job at the Washington County Economic Alliance to make sure that all their needs are met. And workforce is a huge component of that.